Hi, I'm Margaret from Heidi and Lana, and today I'm going to show you how to do the double stitch for German short rows. It's abbreviated DS, and I'm going to be demonstrating this in garter stitch.
So what you're going to do is just work up to the point in your pattern to where it says to turn. And since this is garter stitch, I've just been knitting, and so my yarn is in the back, and we're just going to leave it there and simply turn the work. And so now the tail is in the front, our working yarn is in the front. And so to do the DS, you're simply going to slip the stitch, the first stitch that's on your left needle, over to the right needle, purlwise. I inserted my tip purlwise. And then you're going to take the yarn and pull it up and over the needle. And this is what creates a double stitch. Do you see how that, there's just one stitch here, but then it kind of like splits it there. And that is what creates the double stitch. And then we're just going to continue knitting. And you'll just follow the pattern until it says to turn again. And so we'll do this again. Just turn the work. Yarn is coming from the front. Insert the needle tip purlwise and slip it over to the right needle. And then pull the yarn up and over the right needle and then continue knitting. Now I'll show you what happens when we come to one of these double stitches. So this next one here is where I've done the double stitch. You can see how it looks kind of weird there. And all you're gonna do, there's two strands. You can see here, there's two strands there. And I'm just gonna go into those and knit those together, just like a knit two together, treating them as if they were just one stitch. And that is how you do a double stitch. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, and Facebook under Heidi and Lana. Happy knitting!